is Kolapada Upazila under Potokhali district, nearby largest mangrove forest Sundarban. This area is totally salinity affected and almost in a year, 6 to 7 months, this is a highly saline prone. And it is a tidal zone. During monsoon, people suffer from tidal inundation. Because of tidal zone, this is a highly salinity affected area, and there is a land people cannot cultivate any crops here. But in Sundarban, there is a important species, Nypha fruticans, which is known as a kolpata in Bangladesh. It is a important species of mangrove forest, Sundarban. But people don't have access to mangrove forest to extract Nypha fruticans. Nypha fruticans is it's have multiple co-benefits. Like traditionally, people of Bangladesh are using it in their roofs who build Potokhali in Kolapara to protect themselves from tidal erosion, and also we have trained themselves to produce molasses from Nypha fruticans, developed a solution from these molasses. People are selling these molasses in the national market, and they are earning some money, and they have ensured their livelihood. And not only so, people they are selling these Nypha fruticans to those people who are using their roofs.
গোল থেকে যে গোল হয় এটা অনেকেই জানে না। যদি জানতো এটা চাহিদাটা আরো বেশি বাড়ত। অবদার পাশে যে জায়গাটা আছে পুরো অবদার পাশ জুড়ে লাগিয়ে দিলে কিন্তু
প্রচুর গোল হয়ে যাবে।
হ্যাঁ, তখন দেখা যাবে ফসলের জমিও নষ্ট হবে না আর ওই জায়গাটাও কাজে লাগলো। পাতা দিয়ে আপনার মানুষ সাধারণত ব্যবহার করতে পারে। এটা এই গরু খেলে কিন্তু ডায়াবেটিস হয় না, আর ডায়াবেটিস রোগীরা এটা খেতে পারে। তাছাড়া এটা আপনার কৃমিনাশক বলতে পারেন।
আলু বা তাছাড়া ঘর গিরিডি করে ছাড়া যায়, তবে চাষ কম মেলে কম, এই কারণে আর কি টিন ব্যবহার করা হয়।
গোল পাতার গরমের উপকারিতা কি?
খুব ঠান্ডা, শান্তি আছে।
গরমের দিনে খুবই ঠান্ডা,
গরমের দিনে ঠান্ডা, শীতের দিনে বেশি তাপ ঠান্ডা লাগে না।
It has a carbon co-benefits. Nypha fruticans as a mangrove forest, it has a carbon sequestration contribution. Though we have not even now calculated carbon sequestration from Nypha fruticans, but it can be scaled up in any tidal areas in where salinity is high, and people can get some benefits in terms of livelihood generation, and also protect themselves from tidal erosion, and they can cultivate these Nypha fruticans in their homestead level in where salinity comes regularly. It is a nature-based solution and also local adaptation, because this intervention is traditionally practicing in Sundarban areas, but now we have scaled up it in homestead area, and this is a house, best example of our project. For the last couple of years we are working here to promote Nypha fruticans in homestead level. So in future this intervention can be scaled up in the coastal belt of Bangladesh, in where the people are suffering from salinity.